let's jump right into multiplying and dividing. Multiplying and dividing. Multiplying and dividing. Okay, so like I said, we'll review back with some just number problems first, back to fractions. Multiplying and dividing fractions. So let's do 2/9 times 3/4. 2/9 times 3/4. So how we would do this with multiplying and dividing, you don't need a common denominator. But we would kind of look at this, and even though like here 2/9 you can't reduce that, as long as it's 1 on top, 1 on bottom, you can go across fractions. So 2 reduced by 2 is 1. 4 reduced by 2, left 2. Right here, 3 reduced by 3 is 1. 9 reduced by 3, I'm left with 3. And then once we do any reducing, we can multiply straight across on top, straight across on bottom. Okay. Then the difference with dividing, let's do 1/3 divided by 1/6. So with the dividing, if you remember, what we do is we take the reciprocal of the fraction after the division sign, or flip it. So change divided by 1/6 to times 6/1. Keep, change, flip is kind of one way sometimes people remember that. Keep, change, flip. Change it to multiply, then flip the last one. So reduce by 3, down to 1 and 2. So it looks like 2 times 1 on top, 1 times 1 on the bottom, and we just get 2. So kind of the key things to take out of that, well, the division, the flipping, but as long as it's 1 on top, 1 on bottom, you can go across different fractions. All right, so let's do a bigger one. Okay, how about x plus 4 over x squared minus 6x plus 8 divided by x cubed minus 6x squared plus 4x minus 24 over x squared plus x minus 6. Kind of give you a little bit of a bigger one. So first step, well, we're going to have to flip this fraction. Maybe at the same time though, we'll do some factoring. So just like with the simplifying ones, first thing we're going to have to do is factor. Besides also the flipping. So first one, we've got x plus 4, bottom. Let's try to break this into two binomials. So 8, probably going to be, break it down to 4 times 2, which should work, both minus. So that checks out. Now I'm going to flip the next one and multiply. So now this one factored, maybe I'll just kind of underneath do my factoring first before I set it all up. So it looks like 6, probably going to break down to 3 times 2, with this being a plus x, plus 3 and a minus 2. This one, so little red flag should go up. I've got 4 terms, x cubed, so it's going to be by grouping. So first take x squared, break this up. Out of the first 2, I'm left with x minus 6. Take a 4 out of the next 2, also left with x minus 6. So let me kind of write my factored version of that out, but it's now going to be on the bottom. So x minus 6, x squared plus 4. And then on top is x plus 3, x minus 2. Okay, so it looks like I can do a little bit of canceling. I'm going to cancel x minus 2. And then it looks like that might be it. So I'm left with x plus 4 times x plus 3 on top. And then x minus 4, x minus 6, x squared plus 4 on the bottom. Okay, so now it's all combined into one rational expression.